How many stores will I get kicked out of for vlogging? I'm going to walk in front of a staff on purpose just to check if he'll throw me out. I can't vlog.
It's a brand policy there.
Okay, I'll stop recording. I had a therapy session yesterday and my therapist told me to not stay in bed, not rot in bed and socialize more. So even though I feel like rotting in bed and doing nothing with myself, I am forcing myself to get out of the house today. I'm gonna quickly go shower right now. Do you guys want to see my body wash? It's damn cool. It's like whipped cream, bro. Look at how pretty. I'm gonna quickly do my hair and makeup right now because we have to go for an event. The event is for Indie Wild. I switched to black coffee, by the way, because I'm lactose intolerant and milk is just not good for me. My intrusive thoughts keep telling me to eat this. Just got done doing my hair and makeup. The event is at a mall and I feel like I'm gonna regret wearing these heels. But I don't care because it goes with my aesthetic, so. I'm literally 5 minutes away from the mall and I am just stuck in traffic. So that's that. You know, just the other day I was thinking of getting a head massage done and I'm so glad I didn't because I'm getting a free head massage over here. But I'm also like, why did I wash my hair in the morning? You know, what a waste of washing my hair in the morning. Thank you so much. आपका नाम? Anu. Anu. आपको कुछ बोलना है? She did my hair, guys. आप किधर से हो? मध्य प्रदेश. I can't get over how iconic their mic is. It's a little glass bottle of their product with a mic on top. I made the mistake of wearing heels to a mall and now my legs are hurting. Like I think I have a shoe bite. So what am I doing? I'm buying shoes. Is this just another reason for me to go buy shoes? Maybe. But you know, I actually saw this really cute pair of shoes and I think I'm just gonna buy it. I'm gonna show it to you guys, wait.
This one you'll get 30% off.
Wow, 30% off. It's like it's my sign to buy it. The camera isn't doing justice, but then this is very cute. I walked in, I liked the shoe and I bought it. I didn't even think twice. Subhavna is being very, very patient with me. She wanted to buy coffee and I dragged her to this shoe shop because I wanted to buy shoes because my heels were hurting. I got a discount on the shoes. It's my lucky day.
Let's go.
I'm just glad I got a discount on it, man.
I don't think the discount matters to you. You would buy it anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It goes with my pink outfit.
Outfit, yes.
Let's go drink coffee now.
Yeah.
Poor Subhavna is like, oh yeah, third wave is here. Two kinds of girls. One is a frappuccino girl and one is a black coffee girl. Can we stand here and take? Can we stand here? Yeah. I can stand here, no?
You can stand. Of course, you're pretty girl. Why I'll stop you? You're blushing.
Yeah, because you scared me when you said I can't vlog.
We have to tell if I don't tell, no, they will screw me.
But guys, on the serious note, everywhere I go, I'm not allowed to vlog, which is why half the time I don't vlog. Because I'm so scared of people yelling at me, man. Like, no, you can't vlog here. Why? You give me a valid reason why I shouldn't vlog. Then I will stop vlogging. We are in Uniqlo right now. Nobody's yelled at me for vlogging inside Uniqlo yet. Oh, you know, that should be the title of today's YouTube video. How many stores will I get kicked out of for vlogging? That is what I'm gonna name this video. So embarrassing, bro. So we are inside Uniqlo right now. We don't need anything.
Let's see how long we can stay here till
Yeah.
we get out.
Let us see for how long I can vlog till somebody tells me to stop vlogging. Bro, just for the sake of it, we should go inside Bath and Body Works again and get blasted again.
And have it on camera.
And you know, I'm not even being subtle about it. I'm literally holding the camera like this so that somebody yells at me. I want to get yelled at for the sake of my YouTube video. For the sake of you guys, I'm ready to get yelled at and thrown out. So what do you want, Subhavna?
I want a nice skirt. Let's see.
So Uniqlo did not yell at us for vlogging. Now we are going to go inside Miniso. I know for a fact Miniso is going to tell me not to vlog inside. I'm going to enter the store vlogging. So guys, we are about to enter Miniso right now.
Where's the staff?
What should we buy? A staff saw me just now vlogging and he didn't say anything.
Give a side eye.
I'm not even kidding. A staff literally just saw me vlogging and he didn't say anything. But you know, I really like Miniso because everything here is so cute. You know, it's like a amusement park. It's like a museum, you know. And you know, I've noticed that they always have these themed things over here. Like there's Barbie doll, then there's Harry Potter. Like they always have these themed things that they're selling, which is a great marketing strategy if you think about it. You know, I think I'm a Slytherin, guys. Even though people think Slytherin is like villain house or whatever, I don't care. I like being a Slytherin. Should I take Hedwig home? You know, the plushies here in Miniso have a special place in my heart because, you know, back when I used to live in Mumbai, my pillow that I ordered from IKEA took way too long to come. So I bought a plushie from Miniso and I used it for like a month straight as a pillow. So like, these plushies have a special place in my heart. But anyways, I've vlogged enough here. Nobody's yelling at me. I think we should try another store. We are inside Zara right now. Nobody's yelled at me yet. I'm going to walk in front of a staff on purpose just to check if he'll throw me out. He didn't even look at me. You know, this is the best kind of shopping. Window shopping. Where you're not buying anything, but you're just roaming around. Zara passes the vlogging check. You can vlog in Zara, you can vlog in Uniqlo, you can vlog in Miniso. I can't believe you can vlog in Miniso. And they didn't yell at me. So guys, we are going to walk into Bath & Body Works now. Which candle should I buy? This literally smells like a toothpaste.
Not to take any video and photos.
I can't vlog.
It's a brand policy there.
Okay, I'll stop recording. Wow! Football fans, where are you at? Should I buy this for my imaginary boyfriend? Let me know which football team do you guys support in the comment section below. Okay guys, so we are going to walk inside Sephora now. So guys, we got thrown out of Bath & Body Works and Sephora.
Yeah. Bath & Body Works twice.
Two places where you can't vlog. So Uniqlo will not throw you out. Uniqlo will not throw you out. Very supportive of my YouTube career. Every time I'm driving, I get all these deep thoughts, okay? And I want to share my deep thoughts with you guys. One of the things that I was thinking about is how pointless this vlog that I'm making is. And that's when I realized, why should anything have a point? Sometimes you should just do things which are pointless, because you wanting to have a point in everything that you do is what stops you from achieving anything, you know? Stop being the obstacle in your own way. The second thing that I was thinking about is how hungry I am. I did not have lunch today, guys. I'm very hungry. Okay, I'm stuck in the signal again, so I'm gonna continue with my thought number 2. Thought number 2 is, I don't know if it's just me, but I always imagine the worst case scenario. Okay, I'm such a negative person that for every situation I'm thinking of how can this go bad, you know? So what I realized is sometimes you are your own problem. So sometimes the negativity in your life and the worst case scenarios in your life is in your head. It may never happen, but then you will always imagine the worst case scenario. It's never going to really happen. Back home to my cats. I'm having last night's leftover pizza for lunch. I mean, it's 5 o'clock. It's not even lunch at this point. It's like dinner. The fun thing about going to events is they always give you this goodie bag at the end of the event, so I'm gonna give you guys a little haul. So firstly, I have these two mini Chumpy oils, which is basically the Indie Wild Chumpy oil but a miniature version. And then we have a big size bottle of the Indie Wild Chumpy oil. Let's try this lip balm. I don't know how this brown is gonna look on me though. I'm not like a brown girly. It's not bad. You know, the brown isn't too brown, so it's still looking very natural and sheer on me, so I really like that. You're so cute, oh my god. Time to upload all the stories that I took today for Indie Wild. Just got done editing the story for Indie Wild. I'm gonna post it right now. I just got done shooting for a brand right now. So this is how brand relations work, by the way. First, I need to send them the outfit for approval. This is literally the outfit that I took today at the Indie Wild event, because I was like, okay, I'm anyway wearing this. I'm just gonna shoot in this because I was anyway out. My plan was to actually shoot outside, but then I ended up coming home and I just finished shooting it. I'm sending it to my manager right now. Hustler! I'm never letting you pay the bill. But this Father's Day, let's change that. This is for District by Zomato, by the way. But yeah, that is it for this week's YouTube video. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys next time. Love ya. Bye.